You've got to check out one of our newest updates. Now we have hyperlinks inside of both forms and surveys. This new feature enables your business to add hyperlinks to text fields within forms and surveys, allowing you to enhance your customer experience by providing additional context or even resources through direct links. Let me go over some of those benefits. This is going to improve your customer experience. Now your business can provide direct access to privacy policies, terms of service, or other important information right through a hyperlink. This is also going to increase engagement. Your business can guide your respondents to additional resources they may need access to. It's also going to streamline your workflow. This feature is going to save you time and effort by allowing your business to directly link to relevant resources. Let's talk about some practical use. A business owner can now include a link to their privacy policy right within a form to provide customers with important information and instill trust without disrupting the form completion process. Personally, I want to go a little bit farther into this and tell you this is a really great way to help you stay compliant with things like SMS and email rules. It could also help you make sure that those refund policies are followed, or that any other policies you need to document being accepted are being followed. So first we're going to create a new form, or as always, we can also edit one we've already created. We're going to do that by going to sites, and you're going to choose either forms or surveys. This will work in both of those, but you do need to choose one of them. And then you're going to click, if we're utilizing forms, you would click add form. Of course, that would be surveys in the survey area. If you want to edit, you'll use the three-dot kebab to edit, and you'll go ahead and move forward from there. Now, once you're in that form or that survey, you're going to add a text element. You're going to click the plus icon, and then you're going to go down to the text element and drag that over. Now from there, you're going to access the hyperlink icon, which is a new option within the system. You're going to go ahead and select that text. Then you're going to click that three-dot kebab, and you're going to find the hyperlink icon in the upper right corner of that right side of the settings. Now you're going to add the URL, so you're going to insert that link and click confirm. This is what that new option is going to look like. I absolutely love this. So not only do we have the checkbox, but we have that text space with the hyperlink. I love this because this is a great option. It's giving you the ability to add hyperlinks in forms and surveys, which is going to enhance your customer experience. And I would go as far as saying also your compliance by offering a seamless option to access important resources, creating a more professional and engaging experience for both your business and for your audience right within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.